Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking beef on the Green Mountain Grill. So what I've done, I like to stop at Kroger every day just to see their markdowns, and I got a couple deals because tomorrow's the sell-by date on these things and they marked them down. So what I have here is almost 1 pound of Angus ribeye, $9.23. That one's for my wife. I tried to get a strip. She likes a strip steak, but they didn't have a strip steak, and this was a pretty meaty looking, lean, I guess as lean as ribeye as you can get. So what I got for myself, kind of wanted one of these for Father's Day, but I couldn't find a deal I wanted. Almost 3 pounds. This is 2.7 pounds Tomahawk Ribeye. I love ribeye, and at Tomahawk, I've never had. So we're going to put this on the grill. 2.78 pounds. Look at that, $16.41. Why? Because the sell-by date's tomorrow and it hasn't sold yet. So if you don't frequent Kroger's, go by there and look at their markdowns every day. I found great deals all the time. Anyways, what I'm planning on doing here today is getting the Green Mountain Grill up to 500 degrees. It sears very well at that temperature. And I'm going to leave them on for, once the grill reaches 500 degrees, I'm going to put the small one on, one for my wife, put this on probably for 3.5 to 4 minutes aside, and that's going to sear pretty well at the temperature. I will take the Tomahawk Ribeye, and I'm probably going to cook that about 8 minutes aside maybe. Depends on what it looks like on the outside at the 6 to 8 minute mark. I like my steaks medium. My wife likes hers medium to medium well, so again, I'm going to have to judge by how it looks on the outside. I am going to put the meat probe in the Tomahawk just to see what the internal temperature's like as it cooks. But anyways, let's get these guys opened up and put some seasoning on them. Okay, so I got these guys unpackaged. Here's what they look like on the plate. This Tomahawk ribeye and the regular ribeye. This guy, look at him. I might try and eat it like that when it's done cooking, so I don't know. We'll see. But what I'm going to use today, this is all I'm doing to season these guys today. We use Lowry seasoned salt and one of my other favorites, garlic powder. So we're just going to get just a generous coat of both on, basically on both sides. So basically just a good sprinkle. See? Just a good sprinkle there. Flip these over and get both sides. The Tomahawk. This thing's huge. Yeah. Might eat this thing Flintstone style. I don't even know. It's like when you ever watch the Flintstones when they hook that thing on the side of the car. Woo! That's what this thing will do, I think. It's huge. So, anyways, get some seasoned salt on here. I want to get some seasoned salt on that fat because I already trimmed some of the fat, but I don't want to trim too much of it because that also adds some tasty, tasty flavor. So, just getting a decent coat of seasoned salt on here. Both sides. I don't want it all over the counter. I'm going to get in trouble. And I'm going to have to clean and sweep and all that jazz. So, I'll put a little on the edge too because I want that fat to have some good flavor. There we go. So, alright, so seasoned up nice. I'm preheating the grill right now, so getting that guy up to 500 degrees, like I said, and I'll put these on and do updates as we go, but hoping this turns out right. But I don't know how you can screw up steak unless you overcook it, and I'm not going to do that. Alright, let's get them on the grill. Here's the steaks, and we're going to go ahead and get them on the grill here. So, look at those things. Alright, so there you have it. You're on the grill. Timing starts. 3 minutes aside for the little guy and 6 minutes aside for the big guy. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. I want to take a look at these guys. Oh yeah, look at the little guy. So we're going to go ahead and flip him. That looks pretty good, but I think it's going to need just a little bit more time. So we will, look at that. That's pretty crispy. So we will leave him on for another minute or so and then check him again. This small steak has been on for a total of 8 minutes here, so that's pretty crispy looking. And we're going to take him off the grill, and we're going to go ahead and flip the other one. So take this guy off. Hold on 1 second here. Oh yeah, look at those guys. Look at those guys. Take this guy off. Flipping that guy. Look at that. Actually, that's nice and crispy right there. So we're going to leave him on for another 4 or 5 minutes. Maybe 6 or 7. And he should hopefully be pretty medium. Maybe medium rare-ish when he's done. So, yeah, take a look at that. Man, that's hot in there. Got the little guy off the grill. The tomahawk's still cooking. It is needs to cook for about 4 or 5 more minutes. But I'm about to cut into this. Let's see how this looks. Oh, that's really nice and medium. Maybe a little medium well, but that's kind of the way my wife likes it. So I'm gonna say that's pretty good. Let me see here. I like that. Can't wait to see what the tomahawk does for me. So be back in a couple minutes when that guy's done. Okay, so my wife is in there eating her steak, and I'm gonna check out and see how mine's doing. Oh, look at that. That is really, really nice and medium right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this temperature probe out of here. Go ahead and leave that lay. So I'm going to pull this tomahawk right off here. Yikes, that's hot. Put them on my plate. Alright, I'm about to take that inside. Oh, that looks delicious. About to take this inside and start cutting into it. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, so the tomahawk's off the grill. My wife's been eating hers. She's happy. Fred Flintstone style right here. Ooh, this is hot. I don't know if I can. I can't do it. That's too hot. Because I just want to pick it up by the bone and eat it, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. So, let me see here. Oh, look at that. Look at that nice juicy center. Oh, that's going to be tasty. I'll tell you in just a second here. Oh my gosh. I'm going to keep stopping by Kroger because if I can get another one of these, this is delicious. Cooked perfectly. I mean, it's a little, you see on the outside, it's a little more done, but the farther I get to the middle here, and look at that. That is medium to medium rare right in there. See how that's real nice and spongy like that? That's a nice, easy done cooked piece of meat. So, well, I'm going to let you go here, and I'm going to eat, because this thing's so hot and it's delicious. So, I'll catch you next video. Oh, hey. Well, about does it for this guy. Told you I was going to Fred Flintstone this. Yabba dabba do. This is tasty. Some of the best meat right here. Just alongside the bone. Bone give its flavor. And all the fat that's along there too, and the seasoning, it just amplifies that flavor. So maybe disgusting chewing on the bone, but it sure is tasty. All right, that's it for me. I think I'm going to go take a nap.